I'm not some corporate drone or AI bro. I'm a real person who built my business from scratch through failures, pivots, mentorships with the best in the game, and a whole lot of late nights. I'm a coach, a consultant, a creative, and yeah, a total AI nerd. But mostly, I'm obsessed with helping other women lead, create, and scale without losing their soul to the tech or the grind. Who am I? I started out exactly where you are, overwhelmed, drowning in content, and wondering if it was even worth it to try and show up online every day. I've invested years and a lot of dollars into learning from leaders like Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, Pedro Adao, and more. I built funnels, coached real estate teams, learned how to automate, and real talk, burned out more than once. So I got obsessed with finding better ways. That's where AI changed my life and my business. Why does this matter for you? Because AI isn't just the next shiny tool. It's the cheat code. It's the way coaches, consultants, creators, normal, real people can finally compete and win against the big names without selling their soul or living online 24/7. If you're tired of feeling like you're falling behind, you're not alone. But here's what most people won't tell you. The biggest hack is to build your own AI twin, a digital version of you that helps you show up, create, connect, and grow, even when you're off living your life. How AI can change your business and your life. You'll stop burning out on content. You'll finally have time to think instead of just posting. You'll show up everywhere your clients hang out, and your voice never gets lost. Imagine your brand and your offers running even while you're offline, because your AI twin is trained on your wisdom, your stories, your values. You can automate the boring stuff, answer DMs, create content, support your clients, and keep your brand alive 24/7 without needing a team of 10. You get to scale without losing the personal touch, the realness, or the reason you started this in the first place. Why you should join my group. Here's the deal. Most groups out there, they're either tech bros flexing jargon or hustle culture junkies who burn you out. I'm building something different. A community where you learn, get support, and actually get results using AI. If you want to learn the real deal on AI without the fluff or hype. Get step-by-step help on building your AI twin, even if you're not techie. Connect with other smart, ambitious women, and a few cool guys too. Share your wins, ask your dumb questions, no shame here, and level up for real, then this is where you need to be. My group is about teaching you what actually works, giving you templates, scripts, and real talk, and pushing you to be the CEO of your own life and business. 3 tips to start using AI in your biz today. 1, don't try to replace yourself, amplify yourself. Start small, use AI to brainstorm post ideas, draft emails, or answer common questions. Let it make you faster, not faker. 2, train your AI with your own voice. Don't settle for generic advice. Upload your best posts, your audio notes, your favorite rants. The more your AI twin gets, the more it can do for you. 3, keep learning. AI changes fast. What worked last month is old news. Plug into a community, hint mine, ask questions, and try new things. The winners are the ones who stay curious. Look, I know tech can be scary. I know you might feel like you're behind or not ready, but the truth is you are 100% capable of learning this. You're not too old, too busy, too burnt out, or too not techie. You just need someone to show you how to do it the real way, in a way that fits your life and your business. AI isn't just about automating tasks. It's about giving yourself the freedom to show up as the best version of you more often with less stress. You get to spend more time creating, serving, living, and less time glued to your phone or second guessing yourself. And if you're not sure where to start, that's what I'm here for. Come join my group, ask your questions. Watch me mess up in real time. We're building something honest and human here with a little help from the bots. If you're ready to stop playing small, to actually scale up and to do it with a little fun, a little faith, and a lot of real talk, hit that join button. Let's build your AI twin and your dream business together. I'm Ceanne Livingston, and this is the future. No gatekeeping, no BS, just results. See you on the inside.